Today, we review the best 5 olive oil dispenser that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Vremi Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. You just need to remember that the bottle would not remain free from oil smudges after every use. You need to wipe off excess oil with paper towels for keeping the bottle as good as new again. Vremi Oil Genie Bottle promises press and pour convenience whether you are mastering a complex recipe or are making your favorite salad dressing.
Number 2.
Royal Oil and Vinegar Bottle Set. The glass bottle looks amazing and makes your dinner table seem elegant with its classic square-shaped bottle. The dual spout design promises a lot of convenience to the users. The design is such that it ventilates automatically. Made from premium and durable rubber stoppers, the Royal Oil and Vinegar Bottle Set is equipped with unique and strong glass. You can expect no accidents, spills and drips when you opt for this olive oil dispenser.
Number 3.
Tablecraft 16 ounces, Oil and Vinegar Cruet. This 16 ounces Oil and Vinegar Cruet measures 16 ounce and comes with precise measuring. This dispenser bottle comes with milliliter, tablespoon and teaspoon labels for mixing vinegar and olive oil precisely. This presentable and elegant bottle dispenser has a lovely green color which protects the content from light exposure. You can also easily check when you require a refill. The spout makes pouring mess-free and easy.
Number 4.
Chef's Planet Large Glass Cruet. What is worth appreciating about Chef's Planet Large Glass Cruet is that the design is lightweight and balanced. The design wouldn't cause much trouble to the users. Made from Pyrex glass that is break-resistant, this oil dispenser is sure to last for years to come.
Number 5.
Chefvantage Olive Oil Dispenser Set. This premium oil dispenser set lets you enjoy numerous functional benefits offered. This eye-catching piece features a design that would not clog the contents. This olive oil dispenser makes it easy to add vinegar or oil to any dish. The non-drip feature of this cruet ensures that your kitchen remains clean. The best thing is that you can return this cruet and claim a full refund if you don't love it.